Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to insert SIM card on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see, I have my Samsung S25 here, my SIM card, and a tool we'll need. It's called SIM ejector, if I remember correctly, but even if you don't have it, I believe that even an earpiece will be enough. Point is to have something pointy and pretty long. So I believe like a needle should help too, but make sure that it is not especially sharp. Oh, I don't have a focus on my hand. Hello? Can I get a focus here? I don't think I can get a focus. Oh, that is unfortunate. Never mind. Make sure that it is not perfectly sharp, like I cannot really bleed to death using this, as you might injure something inside your phone. Now the SIM slot itself can be found at the bottom of our screen, right here. I believe in the S25 and the S25 Plus it's located here, while in the S25 Ultra it is located here. So now we can see, can I get my focus please? Oh, perfect. You can see that there is this little hole here on this hatch, let's say, and we want to insert our SIM ejector right here, not here. So let's just quickly do that. Oh, I love losing focus on my camera. So let's just quickly input that and press pretty hard. Though it might take few tries to get it right. Oh, and after after it's ejected a little bit, you can just proceed with your fingernails. Yeah. So now, if as you can see, now our phone warns us that our SIM card tray is gone, and that's right because I have it right here. So now we simply input our pin, but keep in mind though, oh, can I get my focus please? Never mind. Keep in mind though that the SIM card itself is not a perfect rectangular, because as you can see there is a little part that is missing, and you want to locate the very same part here. So now I know that it's not going to work this way or this way, but only this way. And after it's pretty steady inside, so I can't really move it using the little force, I can insert my SIM card tray back to my Samsung. So I will just quickly do that. Oh, yeah, it is a bit... It can fall off easily. Oh. Yeah, so be careful when actually inserting your SIM. But you have to... Is it locked? It's not locked. Oh, I'm stupid. As you can see, I didn't really notice, but you have to be very careful about that. Did I just lost my SIM? Oh, I just lost my SIM, didn't I? No, never mind, it's in here. Oh, it is definitely in here. Well, whatever, it can be in the slot. You also want to make sure that you actually input this right, because this is not right input, since as you can see the little hatch here is in the wrong direction. So we have to turn it around, and only then it will work smoothly. And now as you can see the warning is gone and we have our SIM card enabled. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.